Hello to the introduction for the series AI Odyssey. No, I'm not Odysseus. My name is Frank Gelmeroda. I'm a video producer, editor, motion graphic designer, and now I'm an AI user as well. Actually, I believe I've been an AI user for some time, but now I use it consciously and targetedly, and as I notice, this is not as straightforward as some might think. Therefore, I want you to participate in my journey in order to learn from my mistakes or my conclusions, my subjective conclusions, that is. AI is work in progress, and there's a fast progress, but it's unlikely that the work will be finished anytime soon. I realized AI, in fact, is a product like no other. Imagine you buy a car and the car turns left, even though you turn the wheel to the right. And if you turn the wheel right again, the car might actually now drive backwards. Imagine the car producer tells you, feel free to tell us what doesn't work. We will send you an updated car in due course, provided you're still alive. That's actually AI. You don't necessarily get what you want with AI as it stands. It is not a matter of life and death and safety, not in the field I'm working in, but it requires some exploration and time and money investment. Remember the first days of ChatGPT, when people were excited about what this software could do, and this all for free? These times have passed. Actually, AI can do much more. It is a fast-moving process, but as it stands, it will continue to be a learning curve for quite some time. Unfortunately, most of the AI tools are not available for free anymore, because the companies behind these tools have invested quite a bit, and they consume a lot of energy. So, you might notice my concern is currently less that robots take over, but that we are here dealing with an area where promise and reality sometimes seem to be parallel worlds. Am I too negative? Maybe. AI is a game changer. So I want to share with you my experiences and my conclusions. I want to present workflows I'm developing by using AI. Because as a professional video maker, I simply can't lose a lot of time by experimenting with a fickle system. I hope to bring a bit more transparency in the audiovisual world of AI. This will help video creators, but hopefully also help those people who think that using AI makes video production so much cheaper and accessible. And why do I start this now? Well, I had a personal reason. Only 2 days ago, I produced my first full AI video. Thank you. Thanks. Actually, I did this more because I was scammed. Also, scamming is a topic in the new brave AI world. So, and here's the video. The content is a bit generic, but it was more an exercise and etude, so to say. And in the first episode, I will tell you the story, how it came to this video, and how to make it. See you then.
In just over 2 years, AI has leaped from the pages of science fiction into our daily lives, transforming from a curious concept into a double-edged sword. Some see it as the answer to all their problems, no more demanding employees, just efficient robots. Others fear a future where these machines don't serve us, but rule us. AI is everywhere now, with companies scrambling to harness its power, but let's not kid ourselves, it comes at a steep price. The energy consumption, the computing power, the investments, who's really paying for this? Consumers, often blissfully unaware, are footing the bill. And while it seemed like only the tech giants could play this game, the landscape is shifting. The stock crash last Monday revealed just how volatile this new frontier is. The real question isn't whether robots will serve or rule, it's who among us will control AI. This power struggle could lead to economic crises, trade wars, or worse. In the meantime, let's enjoy this marvel. It might be a dance on a volcano, but hey, it's fun.